Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again. So today, I'm gonna open this. I already know what's inside, but I will just show it to you guys. Okay? Let's go! Oh my goodness. Okay. There's my gun. And first thing, it was from my classmate. It was his birthday, yeah. And I got Cream O. And, okay. It's just shape. Oh my god, where did I shape it? So, I'm gonna show you. It just shaped. Yeah, like before I vlog. And I got Presto. Sorry, but I'm a little bit distracted. So, I got my freaking favorite, Cream O. It's like cake bar, my favorite. And Lollipop, and I think there's one Lollipop in here. And two Lollipops, my favorite. And I got this gummy from my classmate named Brian. I just went to his house and suddenly he gave me bubblegum. This one and that little bubblegum. I already ate that one and the other one and I'm gonna eat it. I didn't eat it, I just went to eat it at home. And I could get anything what is on the cake and a lot of juice. My Brian's mom said. And my classmate Brian, my mom says I could get this. Yeah. So, I didn't know if they count or not, and we got my time left, and I got this. I will just open this part too. And I got, okay. Oh my god. Oh, suddenly I like this, but sometimes it's very halang. And I got two. Let's open it. It's so hard. I mean, not hard. Let's open it. Let's open it now, guys. It's boom, oh boom. Let's open it. Let's go. That's one. I got some cartridges in there, but he wants it, so I gave it to him. Time to open.
Part 2.